Hey guys, I want to mount the UT1 utility processor inside of an Altoids tin, and I want to bring out the signal through here. So what I need to do is drill a hole in the side of an Altoids tin. That seems like a simple thing to do, but it really isn't. So I'm going to get out my step drill. I've got the smallest one I have, and this one seems like it will go to this level. That looks to be 9/16 by the label. So I want to put it offset, and I want to put it right about here. So I'm going to do this left-handed because of the lighting. So I want to do it right about here. So I need to center punch that with something. Just want a little dimple. Just want a little dimple on that to keep this in place. And if you put something in back of that, it helps, but the step drill actually works okay without that. So that's a pretty neat hole. And it's not quite the right size, so let's make it bigger. Just go down one more step. Now that's a pretty tight fit, and I actually like the tight fit. So this is a panel mount BNC. So I have a bunch of these, and as you can see, they have one nut. And if I mount this, there's really nothing to hold it in the right place outside of there. So what I'll do is mount one nut all the way in. And by the way, I can do this because the Altoid tin is so thin. And I'll press that on there like that, and then put the other nut on. Now, because I drilled that so far down and the nut is flat against the bottom, I actually have to get a pair of pliers and hold the nut and then screw in the BNC connector from the outside. So that's a nice firm fit, and I'll be able to solder to that. And the lid will still close. I actually want to turn that a little bit. There we go. So I've got a nice firm fit. I've got to take that back out before I actually build this, so I can put electrical tape on this to insulate it from ground. Then I can just lay stuff in there and not worried about it touching anything. So that's how I mount a BNC connector in an Altoids tin. And years ago, I bought probably 100 of these panel mounts, so using the nut off of one doesn't really hurt me. I've got plenty. So if you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.